everybody, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video. This is my Sephora 2021 holiday savings event guide just for you guys. Things that I think that you should use your 20%, 15% or 10% off at Sephora on, the time frame, what status you are, all that good stuff. I'm gonna give you guys all the stuff that you need to make this the most successful savings trip you do. So without further ado, we're gonna hop right into this video. Sephora has a holiday savings event every year. There are going to be 3 different start dates to the savings. So you have November 5th, which is going to be Rouge, and that's 20% off. So if your status is Rouge, you will have 20% off from the 5th to the 15th of November. If you step down and you are VIB, then you will have 15% off from the 9th of November to the 15th of November. And if you are Insider, which is the base Sephora membership step, you'll have 10% off from the 11th to the 15th. So do you see how that window is like much shorter? If you're Rouge, you have like way more time. So if you don't know what your status is, I'm gonna go ahead real fast on the app and I'm gonna show you how you find that out. So first things first is you do want to download the Sephora app. And once you go into the Sephora app, you're gonna see your name once you log in. If you're not logged in or you don't have an account, you might as well just create an account to at least get that 10% off, because then you're an insider. You're not, you know, VIB and you're not Rouge, but you are an insider. So you click on your name down here and then you're gonna go have right here in this corner and it's gonna tell you what your status is, your beauty insider status, and then you can also click on that and find out how many points you have, different things that you save, refer and earn, credit card rewards, all that fun stuff. I do not believe, don't quote me on this, but I don't believe you can use your credit card rewards and your 20% off or your percentage off. I'm gonna say 20 because that's mine, but just like I said, it depends on your status. So don't be like, well, Jamie B on YouTube said everyone gets 20. I'm just gonna use 20 because it's easier than saying 10, 15, 20, okay? I don't think you can use your percentage off on top of using the credit card rewards, because the rewards, if you don't have a credit card, you have to copy and paste a code, and Sephora only allows you to paste one code in. So I could be wrong, but I'm pretty certain. So if you've ever worked for Sephora, comment down below and let people know if they can, but I'm pretty sure you can. And also, if you look at the top where your name is, it will tell you how many points you have right under your status, and points are exchanged for money. Now, if I'm being quite honest, it's not as awesome as like Ulta. 500 points is $10 off, and I think like the next level is like 2,500 points and it's $100 off. Okay, so I'm gonna start talking about a couple of the things that I think are really important, or I feel like would be a great grab to get during this sale. So the one thing I am gonna mention is the new Pat McGrath palette, the Celestial Odyssey eyeshadow palette. It is $78, and I will go ahead and pop them up here just so I'm not trying to show you my phone the whole time. It is $78 for this one. If you use, say you get 20% off if you're Rouge, you're gonna save like 16 bucks, and it's gonna put that palette right around $62, which is still kind of pricey, but you are getting 20% off of it. And this coupon is not a one-time thing, so you don't just use it once in that time frame and then you're done. You can actually do several shopping trips with the same coupon, the same deal. I also think that the Smashbox X Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector is going to be a must buy. First of all, I'm so excited that Becca decided to leave this formula with somebody and not take it to the grave, because I was really worried. I recently, I want to say a couple months ago, started using it, fell in love with it, and then remembered that they were shutting down and I was like, no. But Becca decided to sign the rights over to Smashbox and they have relaunched it basically, but it's under Smashbox brand, and I think that it's an awesome product to try, and it really just vamps up that under eye and just gives it so much bright and beautiful look to your makeup. So if you want to try that, it's originally $32. Your percentage off of whatever it is, 10, 15, 20, will take it down. Now these are all things that I have purchased, and then I'm gonna go into things that I think are a good idea to get that I may not have purchased myself. So this is the Makeup by Mario Soft Pop Blush Stick. I have it in Raspberry. I think it is a beautiful cream blush. If you love cream blushes, you're going to love this. It is usually very pricey. It is $28 for the stick. However, I do have ColourPop sticks. I do have all kinds of other cream blushes, and I find that this one is the creamiest and, like, I don't want to say thinnest, but it like the ColourPop ones are so thick and dry, it's hard to blend those out, where the Mario ones are thin and creamy, so they blend like a dream. They blend over powder like a dream. So if you're looking for a cream blush, I think that that's going to be a really good route for you to take. So the next thing is the Fenty Beauty Pro Kiss lip balm and scrub set. I have bought this several times. It is my favorite thing to use before bed. If you are not new to my channel and have been here since like way back in the beginning, I was an obsessed person over Laneige sleep mask, and PS, I still use it. However, this has definitely taken over my nighttime routine when it comes to my lips. I do not do the lip scrub every single night. I do it 3 times a week, but I do use the lip balm every single night, and I'm telling you, it is worth every penny. It's $24 for the whole set, but you get your discount. Right now, one size Patrick Star Go Off makeup removing wipes, 21 of them are on sale for $7.50. $7.50, you heard that right. They're usually $15, so they're 50% off right now. I have them, I love them. I will be getting these as soon as my sale starts on the 5th. Hopefully they'll still be in stock. They were in stock when I looked this up yesterday, so hopefully they still are. They are amazing wipes. They remove makeup so effortlessly, and they're not like tough on my face. I don't use makeup wipes very often because I do have extremely sensitive and dry skin, but I love to use these when I do because they are very soft. So the next thing is gonna be a little bit weird, and most people are gonna be like, it's not even summertime anymore, but I think that this makeup or this beauty item is super important every day of the year. It is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It is my favorite sunscreen. I absolutely love it. I love how it makes my skin look. I love how it makes my skin feel. It doesn't smell weird. It's none of that. It's an amazing sunscreen. It protects my skin all year, so I really, really recommend that. It would not have been a list or an accurate guide if I did not drop this one, which is the Fenty Beauty Ease Drops. Like, when she dropped this, I have worn this so often. I have bought 2 of them. It's one of those foundations where I can wear it like super, super light, or I can build it to a pretty good medium coverage, and it just looks so flawless. My skin looks so healthy and so glowy. It doesn't look matted down. It doesn't look cakey. It's so nice. It is a blurring skin tint, and when I put it on, it's almost like it melts into my skin, which I absolutely love. So the next thing is going to be another Fenty item, is the Gloss Bomb Cream Color Drip Lip Cream. It's the Gloss Bomb Cream, okay? I have it in Honey Waffles, I have it in the mauve one, and then I have it in, I don't remember what the other one was called, but it's the traditional universal color. It was like that pinky color or whatever. I don't remember what it's called, but I have 3 of them. I absolutely love them. They are a beautiful and stunning pigmented lip gloss. Like, it's so pigmented and so juicy and so glossy, and just chef's kiss to that lip item, okay? Just amazing. And then the next thing is one of my favorites as well that I use every single day. If you have been here, if you know, it is the Makeup by Mario Eye Prep and Set. Like, there's nothing that I could say to you guys that will get across how I feel and my relationship with this product. I had to get it because I thought I had it right behind me in my drawer, but I did not. So it looks like this. I have the shade medium, and that's a pan. Okay, that's a pan. And let me tell you what, you're probably like, Jamie, who the cares that you hit pan on a makeup item? Everyone does it. Not I. Not I. Why? Because I own way too much makeup. Okay, so hitting pan on something, that means I love it. That means me and you, me and you. Like, this is my color. This is it. It's a perfect eye primer. It feels so beautiful. I love the powder. Like, it's like, this is definitely dented because I do use it every single time I put makeup on, okay? Unless I'm reviewing a primer, this is the primer I have under my eyeshadow. I still have not hit pan on this powder, and I use it every single time. This cream though, there was no help saving this cream. I do use this one for sometimes, but it's a little bit lighter. This is my perfect shade. However, you can't buy just this one, so I will be repurchasing this again, but I just, this, if there's anything that you need in your collection that I tell you, is that. I don't like to push products. I'm not a product pusher, but that one I'm pushing, I'm shoving because you need it. And it is kind of pricey. It's like $28. However, with the discount, it might make it a little bit cheaper. You know what I mean? I just think it's worth it, okay? Okay, so the next thing I have, and the last thing on my personal list, is the Fenty Beauty Fantasy Foursome 4-piece gloss balm set. It comes with a cream and 3 glosses. For $38, first of all, First of all, that is such a deal. Second of all, I own every gloss bomb she has. I only own 3 of the creams, but the gloss, she has the best lip gloss on the market, hands down. Lunar Beauty is next in my opinion, but hands down, Fenty stole it. She just stole it right from the market. She said, yep, that's me. Those are the items that I personally have used, I personally love, I personally recommend. I want to start talking to you guys about things that I think are going to be savvier, smarter, if you will. If you go onto the app, so go under shop, and then you're gonna go under sale, which is all the way down. Literally everything that could possibly be on clearance right now is on there, okay? I think that you should take a peep in here, because things that are in here, like there are Natasha Denona palettes in here, half off for $32 when originally they're $65. Your girl might get 1 or 2, don't judge, because I don't buy those full price because I'm a broke bitch, and $65 for a palette is outrageous. However, $32 and then your 20%, 10%, 15% discount is awesome. So they have Makeup by Mario quads, they have One Size Patrick Star, they have Natasha Denona lip gloss, Marc Jacobs, they have Hourglass eyeshadow, they have Fenty Beauty foundation, I can't remember what it was called, it's the hydrating longwear, for $18, which is usually $36. So I want you guys, this is my last tip for you. Before you go in there and you go crazy over the new stuff and you go crazy over all the new launches and you spend, you know, and you save your 20%, which is awesome, that's fine. Check the sale. Okay, check this. There are so many things. Dominique Cosmetics, Fenty Beauty highlighter, KVD brushes. There's so much stuff, and it's not like super old stuff where you're like, what am I gonna do with that? Everyone already has that and I don't want it. You get what I'm saying. Like, it's just, there's so much stuff on here. It's absolutely Ole Hendrickson, Viseart, Ciate London, Versali, Velour Lashes. Like, there's just so much on here on sale already, and most of it is, I believe, 50% off, if not more. So Melt Cosmetics, oh my god, your girl is going shopping, okay? I just want you guys to really take a look under there and see what's on sale and what you're gonna get your biggest savings. So those are the things that I think are really super important to look at, but the sale page is where you're gonna get your biggest savings. So I'm gonna go through before we finish this video, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I have in my cart and what I plan to buy. I already have it in there, so like on that day I can just go check out. So I have the Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil. I also have the Ultra Suede lipstick. The pencil is in Travis, the stick is in Fonda, and then I also have a Makeup by Mario quad, which is usually $25. It's on sale for $15. I also have the Natasha Denona Love Eyeshadow palette because I thought it was beautiful, but $65 is a lot, so I'm getting it for $32.50 plus my discount. And then I also have a Natasha Denona matte concealer, and I also have 2 Dior foundations that are not on sale, but I really want them. It is the Backstage Face and Body Foundation and the Air Flash Spray Foundation. They're not on sale. They're real fucking expensive. So those are the times where I'm like, I'm gonna splurge because at least I get a little bit of a discount and it makes me feel better. It really makes me feel better inside. So I am hoping that there are more things. I'm gonna go through and figure out different things I want. These are the times that like I get my lashes and I get like the small things that you need, like lots of lashes, primers, mascaras, and I just stock up and I get it on the sale page because it's like 50% off, and then my percentage really amps up that sale. So I hope this video helped you guys out. I hope it kind of gave you some advice, some direction on what to do and how to get the best from the Sephora 2021 holiday savings event, how to use your money the best way possible to get the most out of it. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. As always, comment down below. Let your girl know what you're getting. What are your plans? Are you skipping the sale altogether? That's okay too. But if you're not, tell me what you plan on getting or what you want to get, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me before you leave. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I do new videos every single week and you don't want to miss out on those, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!